watching the final stage of this watercolor painting of cats. The color is already dry, the soft washes are in place, and the composition is complete. But right now, it still feels gentle and slightly undefined. Watercolor alone can sometimes blur edges and soften forms. So in this stage, I begin refining the painting using a simple black pen. As I move the pen over the cats, I'm not outlining everything. I'm choosing carefully. A thin line under the chin, a sharper edge around the ear, a few strokes around the paws. These small decisions start separating one shape from another. The cats begin to stand out from the background instead of blending into it. Notice the tiny lines in the fur. I'm not drawing every hair. I'm suggesting texture. Short strokes around the cheeks, a few marks along the tail, subtle lines near the eyes. These details create focus. The expression becomes clearer. The cats suddenly feel more present and more alive. I also reinforce certain shadows with the pen. Darkening the line where two shapes meet adds weight and depth. It creates contrast against the soft watercolor. That contrast is what gives the illustration strength. The softness remains, but now it has structure supporting it. In some areas, I switch to a very thin brush. With a slightly darker tone, I deepen selected shadows and strengthen specific edges. These touches are minimal, but they make the light more convincing. The forms become dimensional. You can sense volume instead of just flat color. By the end of this stage, the painting feels complete. The watercolor provides warmth and softness, while the pen and fine brush add clarity and definition. What started as a simple wash of color has turned into a confident, expressive illustration of cats, finished with intention and control.